welcome back. November 1st, we made it. We are through the month of October, and we have an update on potential Hurricane Patty and Hurricane Rafael. You can see both in the most updated GFS model. I'll show you some others as well, but it is now time to prepare, as we will see this more than likely a tropical storm by November 3rd, possibly the 4th, and after that, all bets are off if this thing enters the Gulf. That is what Patty's showing to do, and once it's actually in there, the National Hurricane Center usually thinks they know what's going to happen, but this year they've been dead wrong. All right, so let's check out what we're dealing with here. As you can see, each day that went by, the chance of this becoming a tropical cyclone went through the roof every single day, about 10 to 20% each day, and we are now at a 70% chance of cyclone formation over the next week. As you can see from this post, we have been screaming from the rooftops to expect this storm to form almost 9 days ago. And of course, as you all know, people were calling us crazy, fear-mongering, you name it, I was called that. But now every single weather channel is talking about the possibility of this hurricane, Hurricane Patty, and not only that, but the possibility of Rafael as well. All right, there's something else I want to touch on here, is the severe weather we're expecting in the center of the country here, and I want you to look at all these water vapor lines, because that's what they are, right? We're not allowed to call them anything else but water vapor trails. So let's take a look at what we're dealing with here. You can see that west to east movement and that slow rise. We're expecting that weather to start popping up right around here, and then it's going to start bubbling up in this area exactly where you're seeing all these lines being dropped. Just take a look at that quickly one more time. We'll just go back and forth with the last hour or two of movement, and you can just see them very distinct. They're everywhere, all over Texas here. You can see, we'll get very close, and let's move this dial back and forth, and you can see them actually forming. It's pretty incredible, and this happens all day long, specifically where we see heavy storms that are expected to form. Let's check out this area right here. We'll backtrack, and you move forward, and you just see them getting thicker and thicker, totally covering the entire area. And now if we jump back over to tropical tidbits, you can see exactly where that's going to bubble up, right through Texas, Oklahoma. Keep in mind, this is November 3rd, right when we're going to see potential Hurricane Patty getting named. So we're going to have a severe snow situation in the Rockies, as well as severe weather in the center of the country, right near where we dealt with all the tornadoes over the spring. This is a multi-day event, so this will be the talk of the town come election day. When we reach the 5th on Tuesday, still severe weather all through the center of the country. This is going on 3 days now. So even though we're not dealing with a hurricane at this time, the center of the country is going to be completely saturated with severe weather for a 3-day period, and then that's when we should expect Hurricane Patty to enter into the Gulf, as you can see at the bottom of your screen. This is going to be one heck of a week for weather, my friends, and take a look at that last part there. This is a wild setup here, almost a nor'easter in the center of the country with a snowstorm to the southwest, and then you follow that 9 symbol all the way down, and we will have Hurricane Patty in the Gulf. Just a freaky sight coming through the next week, and something we all very much need to keep our eyes on. One more time, just check this out. Watch this mess beginning today. Texas, Oklahoma, the center of the country, severe weather into the 4th, the 5th, and then after election day, November 7th, look at this. Unreal. This is in fact a pretty gnarly setup. So as we've clearly shown, it's going to be an insane week. This is the update for today. I will have updates on X and Instagram throughout the day. Please check out those channels, and don't forget the TikTok. We just had to start a new TikTok. We got banned over there because TikTok doesn't like the truth. All right, my friends, I appreciate you all. Shout out to Canada. Happy November. I'll see you all in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. Stop right there, my friends. If you have not already, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Click all, and you will get all notifications from this channel. And trust me, you won't be disappointed.